I did not think it would sound like that when it shifts and stuff. That's awesome. The new Toyota Tundra, beautiful looking truck. They have everything from form to function. Throw a set of wheels on, looks even better. But the one thing they are lacking, I'm gonna put a clip in right here. Let me know what you think. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Apparently not much. Give her a little squeeze. Oh no, it's cold. Oh yeah, there's nothing here. Oh, the big ones sound the same as the small ones. I think we can do better than that. It actually sounds really, really cool. That is sick. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Atlantic Built. Today I'm going to be building a muffler replacement for my buddy Remy's 2024 Toyota Tundra, which you could purchase. I have to preface this video with a disclaimer. The audio inside the garage did not turn out how it was supposed to. I'm in the market for a new mic and just appreciate your cooperation. Enjoy the video. We're going to use like a bullet style resonator here, 304, and all the tubing will be 304 flange, and it'll all be TIG welded, direct bolt on for the 22 and up Tundra. So the problem obviously is this is a manly looking, this is a macho looking truck. Okay, I want to be fair to everyone. This is a gender neutral, macho looking truck, and we want a little bit of sound out of it, not just this whisper quiet thing that they came with from the factory. Now, there are a couple options that you can do for these trucks. You can replace the whole exhaust system. However, I think if you're not tuning the truck, you really don't need to. As far as power gains and stuff, very minimal power gains come from a bolt-on exhaust system these days, as vehicles in general are all calibrated through the computer. They're going to do what the computer tells it, right? So unless you're removing very restrictive components such as a downpipe or a catalytic converter or something like that, there are minimal performance gains to be had. But we all know the main thing with doing an exhaust that makes us all happy is the sound. If you're after sound and a high quality way of doing this, I got the solution for you. A replacement, yes, this is the stock muffler. They are 1, 2, 3 feet long. It's a beast. It's not as heavy as it looks though. I will say, this is all stainless steel, so this will last a long time. Some of these aftermarket options, most people say, oh, it's gonna do the same thing as the expensive one. They buy the cheaper one, and it's not even stainless, it's aluminized. So now what you're doing is you're downgrading what the truck already had from factory for the gain of some sound, but you're usually spending more than you really need to. This is my buddy's truck, so we're gonna try this on it. This is a straight through design bottle resonator, very minimal sound suppression, but it's only gonna replace that mid muffler. There's still a rear muffler on the truck. It's gonna be all 304 sanitary tube. It's all semi-polished or polished inside and out. It's gonna be TIG welded, slip on the front, and bolt onto the 2-bolt flange in the back. So stick around, you're not gonna wanna miss this. We'll get some sound clips of before and after so you can really see the difference of this thing. These will be available for purchase at atlanticbuilt.ca, and I'm in Canada, so if you're in Canada, it might be a good option as far as saving on the exchange rate and the duties and all that stuff. Just throwing it out there. Let's get into this, build this pipe. First things first, I gotta cut this 90 in half so I can flip the ends and create a little jog over from the 2-bolt flange towards the middle of the vehicle, as these are not a straight shot from front to back. So here I've got my adapter coupler. I folded up this little tube here. Basically all that's left is to make the connection from there to there. It's really not that complicated. I am not going to support this by something because I don't know if this is going to be the final iteration of this setup. I also want to add, the option to do like a larger muffler depending on your sound preference. If you want it really loud, this will probably be the option. I don't know how drivable it's going to be. You got to try it. That's really the only way there is to it. Typically speaking, the less material, packing material in the muffler, the size of the muffler, the less sound suppression you're going to have. We're going to get this thing going here. I just got to cut 2 pieces, stick this in the middle and weld it out. It should be good. Moment of truth, here we go. Wow, beautiful. It's actually quite a bit lighter It's probably lighter than the factory one, I would assume. But see what I did here with the hangers? I added a little brace here. That way it's hanging extra. Good, more gooder. So I got an extra little brace there for that hanger as well. This is a super nice piece. I'm very excited about this. I think it's gonna sound great too. It may be a little on the loud side, but we haven't tried this yet, and this is the first kind of rendition. We can always change things up after this now that I got my jig. So we're good to go. She's weighing in at 11 pounds. I'm gonna slip this thing on and we will see what a cold start sounds like. Bolt it up, hopefully. We'll see. It is a snug fit. I'm just gonna put a little black mark on the tube about an inch down the line. So basically, when I got to that end of that cut there, I just made a little mark about an inch further because that's about how much room I have to that taper. That way you know and you have a way to gauge how far you're sliding the piece in. Perfect. So the kit will come with new hardware, 2 nuts, 2 bolts, 2 washers. The bolts are like a flange style bolt, so you won't need a washer on that side. Just one less thing to kind of mess around with. It uses like a flat style gasket. What's that?
Is it just spitting?
No, it's snug enough. It's just, it's like a band, right? So there's a lot of flex in it before it actually starts to squeeze and tighten kind of thing. I like that chain swinger. You ever have a rattle in your newer Tundra? That's probably it. Said if you ever have a rattle in your newer Tundra, that's probably it right there. Yeah, the noose. All right.
You go on the other side?
Yeah, I'll go on the other side. He's telling me what to do here. Director. He's got the director glasses on and everything. Okay, we just did the slip-on muffler replacement for the 22 and up Tundra. This is Remy's truck here. What year is this? 23?
24.
24, sorry. 24. I didn't think it was a 23. It's too nice to be a 23. So I'm gonna fire it up. Hopefully it's not too loud. Ready when you are.
Cold start.
It won't start?
You got the key?
No, I put it on the bench over there.
It's over there?
Oh my god. This is why it takes longer to do things in these parts. Yeah. The simple things. We overanalyze the French, he says. Oh yeah. Like a Lambo, he says.
Right, yeah.
Is this...
Sounds alright.
Yeah. You can smell the fluid film. Take it easy, man. Take it easy. No leaks. I'm surprised. I thought it would be higher pitch, but it sounds good.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
And it has a nice like rasp, like a whack.
It'll sound different too, like under load, right?
For sure.
Yeah. It'll be deeper probably. Hopefully it doesn't pick up the wind too much. We're gonna get like a launch here. Well, or whatever. Acceleration. Oh, the wind is crazy though. Hang on one sec. Okay, go ahead.
Drive normal and then...
Oh, actually, that's a great idea, yeah. So funny, it sounds like a GTR. I'm hoping the wind isn't too bad right now. We'll see one, but we might have to do a redo, a little didgeridoo on this one. But oh yeah, it's windy. We're out here by the water. We got him to stop here and take off hard again. I changed up my mic setup so it's in my shirt, hopefully blocking the wind, but we'll get a better idea of it. Don't do it, it's only one. It was only one. Can you take off hard? You could do it in 4x4. It actually sounds really, really cool. That is sick.
I did not think it would sound like that when it shifts and stuff. That's awesome. All right, well, that should be a wrap for this. If you want one of these or interested in one of these, atlanticbuilt.ca. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.
Hope I don't hit your head. Did you get that on the camera?
I think so. We'll see. It's got a big growl like a cat.
Cat.
Cool.